that though. I don't know, man. I don't know how to tell you, man. I'm talking about something you're not, but check this out, look.
Why he talking about something that he not? Fucking with me, you gon' hear a couple shots, and I'm smoking on some pressure down, make his heart stop. Big bird, cause you know that I don't flock, and every time you gon' see me with some risk takers. Preteens, Teddy packing it with big lasers, so please stop talking on the net, we are not faking.
I told you this.
And I know that they gon' hate me, swear to God, I make it look easy. Got this Nina on my lap, yeah, she too freaky. And yeah, we go dumb in this bitch, but we are not tweaking. You can ask around this bitch, look. How you say he a bully, but ain't gon' bully none? If you really got that, you better show me some. And you know I'm coming from where it get dangerous. Please God, I don't wanna make him famous, and why he keep on saying he gon' rob me? Last week you just say you was gon' pop me, and I know you hear that gun, little bitch, but it's not stopping. Hot shells on the floor, they keep dropping. I'm a dog without a muzzle, cause when I see him, I'ma shake him. If I see the opportunity, then I'ma take it. Little homie gon' sneak him with the fade, he ain't gon' make it. Told bro we ain't safe, he ain't say Nathan.
If you hide it, just know that I will get you. Don't be confused, cause you know that who sent them. Everybody in my circle, yeah, you know what we been through. Hey, cause you know that I'm my cologne, smell like loosely. We be running through them funds just like each week. Yeah, get it? Like my cologne smell like loosely, bro. Like, okay, look.
Sorry, officer, you know that I don't panic. Feds tapping on my phone, I can't stand it. And you know you hear that gun, it's not jamming. Yeah, I'm smoking on some funk, that's a habit. Cause you ain't never really messing when I got it off for nothing. Remember right around the school in the bucket, the feds knocking on my door. Oh shit, I'm like, fuck it. He was talking to them people, so it's fuck em. Why he talking about something that he not? Fucking with me, you gon' hear a couple shots, and I'm smoking on some pressure down, make his heart stop. Big bird, cause you know that I don't flock, and every time you gon' see me with some risk takers. Preteens, steady packing in with big lasers, so please stop talking on the net, we are not faking.
I ain't faking.
We are not faking.